y'all? Welcome back to yet another edition of As Told by Bree. If you're new here, welcome. I'm Bree, 26 years old, and I live in Atlanta. And we're doing another apartment hunting vlog. So, okay, y'all, this just might be the last one of the series. Only because, it's time to move on. I moved into my new apartment, and I really want to show y'all what I'm doing here, decorating and the whole moving process. So, like, comment, subscribe, you already know what to do. Let's go ahead and get right into the video. We're looking at high rises this time, baby. So let's get it. Yeah.
That's a coat closet. Yeah, this one's just a little bit different, but
I really love this flooring.
I mean, that's the other one's great, but that one definitely is my favorite.
Yeah. Okay.
And it keeps makes these floors a little bit darker than the other ones.
Mm-hmm.
But I like the gray is kind of clean and crisp.
Yeah, it definitely is. Oh, these windows are to die for.
How about that one? And we have a view from Kennesaw, Marietta, to Sandy Springs to...
Oh, wow. Yeah, this is a beautiful view. And what's the difference in price on these?
This is 17.
Okay. Okay, gotcha. And are all the A1s the same view?
You either have this one or the one straight across the hall and look inside, kind of where that S3 was.
Oh, so it's a courtyard view.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, gotcha.
I said the one across the hall. Let's see, 16. Yeah, this one's 1780, and that one over there is 1705.
Okay.
Yeah, I don't know. I like this one too. But yeah, it's definitely two of my favorite floor plans.
Yeah, I love the windows and the view. They're both really nice though.
And then this one, let's see. And then on 10, 12, 9, 10, or 12 is 1631 for least.
Okay, and what's the difference? Just the floor level?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Yeah, I will.
On this one in the closet too.
Oh, nice.
A major closet.
I see. Wow, this closet is huge.
And you can rearrange all the shelves, the drawers. So.
Really?
I'm short, so I'm taking down the top rack and lowering a couple, lowered the bottom one. That makes it a little better.
Yeah, we're about the same height. You might have a couple inches on me. Yeah.
Shelves a little tough.
I absolutely love these.
And then this one does do queen bed really good.
Really?
I would probably do headboard there. Work that way too.
Okay.
Just something a little different for a custom light fixture in the center, so the alley has a custom chandelier.
Oh wow, okay.
You'll have the under-counter lights.
Yeah, this is adorable.
I love the kitchen in this one.
Yeah, this is wonderful. I like that backsplash too.
I had another girl, Lisa, and she actually put a curtain kind of between that.
Like a divider or something?
Divider, yeah, really nice.
Really?
She put shears between it.
Huh.
She did a floating sofa in the center out here.
Out here, where right?
She did it kind of, hers was small enough to do it right here, and then she put the TV on the wall.
Okay, so she had a smaller size sofa.
I would say this one is an 86-inch sofas are good.
Okay. And what do people normally just keep this like this?
Yeah,
Okay. Gotcha. Yeah. This is too cute.
Which place is it at?
I love this this closet too.
Yeah, you have a closet kit, you can move it around and adjust it however you want to.
So cute. I must say, this is the cutest studio that I've seen.
Yeah, for me on this one, I usually try to go for a 1 bedroom for myself, but this one feels bigger than the 1 bedroom.
Yeah, I can imagine. This is Modera Midtown. We have the coat closet. We have the bedroom. Excuse me, bedroom. The bedroom is small, y'all. Like, the bedroom is really small. But the mirrors. Look at the mirrors. Don't look at me. Look at the mirrors. Look at the mirrors. And then they both open up like this. So you have one side over here. And then you have the other side over here. So it's a decent sized closet. It's not like to die for, but over here you have bathroom. Over here you have a bathroom. Pretty. Washer and dryer, I believe. Yep. You walk out here. This is the kitchen. This is the living room. This is a studio, y'all, so it's on the smaller side. And then this is the view. Beautiful view. Yeah, that's it. Really nice. I love the natural light that you guys have in these things.
It's most concrete and open concept. We have all of the unit amenities will be the exact same. So it doesn't matter what level of the amenities. Come with the washer and dryer.
Hold on 1 second, Peyton.
I'm sorry.
No, go ahead.
Appliances are all Whirlpool, stainless steel. All countertops are quartz countertops.
Okay.
They have Bluetooth speakers built in. You set that up and you have your Wi-Fi.
All of them? All of the units have the Bluetooth too?
Yes.
Oh,
All
cool.
the features are, yeah. And then all of them have the wine cooler as well.
Nice. That's definitely an added touch because I don't think I've ever seen that in another unit. And I also really like this too.
Yes.
I like that a lot. For sure. It's definitely giving me loft vibes.
Yes, exactly.
Yeah.
Because of the high ceiling. See, so we're running on third here. You'll still be a floor higher.
Okay.
So I think it's a really great view.
And what unit number is this?
This is 318.
Okay. 318. And the ones that were coming available are
The on the fourth floor, 407 and 414.
okay.
It's also, 417, but that's the smallest one. That's the A1, that's 686.
Okay.
And that one is not until October 21st.
Okay, gotcha. Okay, let me take a look at the bedroom and the bathroom. How you like it, Pete?
Good.
And I noticed that there are no windows in the bedrooms.
Yes. And it's two beds.
I like that.
And the one bed.
Okay.
This floor plan.
Still pretty
Like
spacious.
the sliding door. Yeah.
I like that. That is pretty cool. Okay, you can open it. Don't close the door. Oh, here, let me record you opening it and closing it. Okay. Cool. Oh, it's a nice size closet. This closet's bigger than mine. You like it? This is a closet I can get with. And how long are you guys offering the 1 month free? Do you know?
We don't have a cap on it.
Okay. Take a look at the bathroom. Okay, this is cute.
Look, Brie.
Oh, nice. You like
This
the
is what
shower?
my mom got, but it's black handle.
Okay.
But on top, we have the toilet seat that flush.
Okay. Oh, I know what you're talking about.
But we don't have this.
If you want me to
Okay, so this is actually not a high-rise apartment. This is actually my old apartment complex, and I thought I was going to be moving into this unit. I signed a transfer agreement and everything, and then decided to go with another apartment. But I recorded it, so definitely want to show you guys because it was so nice.
I probably would do 3, but I could definitely do 4. We have the hardwood finishes. And then on the back side, we have the dishwasher. We have some storage space, and we have a little bit, we have a few drawers here, and then we have double sinks. Oh, thank goodness, because my apartment now only has 1, and I'm excited about that. Way more storage space over here. Hold on, let me turn on a light. What am I doing? We have 4 different lighting options. We have 1, 2, 3, 4. So we're gonna turn on all of them because I need to see. So we have this big wall space right here, and I'll probably put like a big picture or something here. And then we have the chocolate, what do they call this? I don't remember what they call this, but the darker finishes. I prefer an electric stove over a gas stove. That's just me. Fridge. Then we have a little nook over here. Now, I don't know what I'm gonna do with this. I have no idea, but whatever it is, it's gonna be fire. Nice living room. Nice living room space. Buildings out there. We got us a little view, y'all. We got us a little view. Yeah, nice little city view. I ain't gotta show too much, but y'all see it. We got us a view. Oh, that's the balcony too. Let me go on the balcony. The balcony's a bit smaller. Yeah. Oh yeah, we got us a view, y'all. We got us a view. Anyway, moving right along. Going into the bedroom, we have these barn doors. I think that's what they're called. I have no idea, actually. Oh, this handle's a little broken. The room is a little bit bigger than my other room. It's wider for sure. So I may be able to do something with this. What? I don't know yet. But that's probably where I'll put my TV. I don't know. But yeah, this is my room. So let me back up. If y'all notice, there are no windows in here. So I'm gonna have to figure out what I'm gonna do about lighting options. Bathroom, what's up? Nice mirror, sink, toilet, blah, blah, blah. We have a stand-up shower, super excited about that. Yep. And y'all, the closet. Oh, let me show you this closet. When I tell you the closet is a whole room, like literally, the closet is a whole room. Like walk all the way in, turn this way, you have space. Like what in the world? This is a big closet. And I was thinking about putting a little office in here, but honestly, there are no outlets in the closet. So that's dead. But yeah, that's my new apartment. So yes, I hope you guys enjoyed this video of me looking at different high-rise apartments in Atlanta. If you liked it, like, comment, and subscribe. And let me know if y'all want some more. Because if y'all really want some more, I don't mind going out into the city and looking at different apartments for you guys. But that's only if y'all want it. So give me a big thumbs up to let me know that. And stay tuned for more videos. Later.